Hi, this is Mr. Cappert. I'm going to show you how to make the fork in this video. There's actually going to be a lot of different videos for this fork. It's pretty complex. This video, I'm just going to show you the steer part of it. So like always, File, New, Part. Change the units to millimeters. Hit Apply and then OK or Close. Go back to sketch. You're going to start a 2D sketch. Choose this XZ plane. Use the circle tool to draw out a circle starting from the origin that has a diameter of 28 millimeters. All right. Zoom out. You're then going to finish this sketch and extrude under 3D model. So hit the extrude button. It already knows what profile you want to extrude because there's only one profile there. If that didn't happen, just make sure you click on it to tell it what to extrude. You're then going to extrude it by 165 millimeters. Hit OK. Zoom out so you can see the top of this. Use chamfer, which is up in this area here. Notice it always has a description when you hover over it. That's kind of nice if you forget what tools do. You're going to click on this top edge, and then yours might come up with a different number. It normally defaults to the last setting, and I already did a practice run on this. So make sure this is 2 millimeters, and then hit OK. And then you're going to use a new tool that we haven't used before called Shell. Choose this top surface here of your steer. You're then going to give it a thickness of 3 millimeters. Make sure that this is selected. And this is a weird tool. Kind of annoys me because it doesn't ask how far down to go with this. And the videos that I saw online don't show. So we're just going to have to trust that it goes the right distance here. Now make sure that you don't forget to save this. You need to be saving in your H drive each time. So remember, go to your H drive and then make sure you got a file set up for this. And then a name that makes sense. Put your name typically. This is the fork. All right, there'll be more videos to come on how to complete this fork.